Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of these Zamkol Sports wireless earbuds with Bluetooth 5.0. By the way, the model type is ZT800. It has a very high IPX8 waterproof rating and 30 hours of playtime, of course only with recharging from the cradle. It has true wireless stereo and it's supposed to provide deep bass hi-fi sound and a runtime of 5 hours per charge. So during this review I'm going to show you everything what you get. I'm going to connect it to my phone, then listening for a while, and then I'm also recording some microphone samples so we know how good the microphone really is. Here's some of the functions in the instructions manual. I think it's not rocket science. So what I'm going to show you is this page here with the specifications and especially how to reset the earbuds if you are having problems with the communication. That's the most important thing. Or maybe if you bought used or you give it to a friend or so and you have to reconnect, that's really important here. But basically it's standard. It's pressing the left and right button for 10 seconds when they are off, and then they should reconnect. This is what most of the earbuds do anyway. So good to see that it's supporting this standard function, and you can see they're very small. These are in-ear earbuds. Of course, with these soft rubber ear tips, they provide a high level of passive noise cancelling. That's good or bad depending on your needs. What's important is to remove this protection here, otherwise they won't charge and won't connect. What's really nice here to see how many of these ear tips we get. We get 6 of the black ones and 6 of the red ones, means 3 pairs of each one. That's really nice, and it could give this earbuds a really great touch with these red tips. Then underneath the ear tips we get some additional stuff, mainly the charging cable, but also more of these special ear holders, these brackets here, which can help to secure them much better in your ears. We have a pair of red ones and a pair of black ones. I mean, how this goes, we can just remove the existing cover here and replace it with one of these here. I hope I've done it more or less properly. Now let's also replace the ear tip. It hasn't been too difficult. I've seen it definitely more difficult with other ones. So you can see you can give it a nice own style. Okay, I'm putting it back now on the black one. So it's definitely not a big deal. You just have to align the LED here in the part which is a little bit higher cut. The charging cable is USB-C, exactly what we want to see in 2022. So let's try to connect to my phone. We open the case and take them out. We go to Bluetooth and pair new device. And we see the Zamkol ZT800. It was really fast. Okay, it's already here, shows 80% battery. So now I'm going to listen to some music and record some audio sample, and then I'm finalizing the review. Okay, I've been testing these earbuds now for a while and they have been performing really good. I would say one of the best earbuds I've ever tested so far. The sound is awesome. I've tested this on YouTube with such ultra deep bass tests and they have been delivering really impressive deep bass sound. I mean, we see this often with this soft rubber ear tips, but these ones really convinced me. And they have been really comfortable to wear. They have been sitting tight in my ears, and I would say as long as you're not sweating like crazy, they should stay in place no matter what you do. They are not super small, but they are also not really super size or so. They are fitting pretty nicely in your ear, so they are looking also really nice. Regarding the functions, we have these sensor buttons here on both sides, and we have some of the functions. You can see that here, button functionality. So everything has been working nicely. You just have to tip a little bit, and there's usually no confirmation, which I like. Some of such earbuds have crazy loud beeping or confirmation. There's absolutely nothing. You can start and stop and take phone call or invoke voice assistance or so, and there's absolutely no confirmation, really good. There are only some confirmations when you start the earbuds or when you connect them or those things, pairing, connecting, these things, but they are confirmed by a really nice voice which is not too loud. The only thing which I've been missing a little bit here is the volume change. There is absolutely no volume change possible from the earbuds. You have to do it on your phone, but you can go to the next track, previous track, start, stop, take phone calls, those things. So the sound quality really good. Then the microphone quality. So as promised, I've been recording a microphone sample and now I'm going to play that now for you. Zamkol ZT800 microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zamkol ZT800 microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you have been able to hear that. I've been listening to the recording here and also I sent it to my PC and I've been listening there, and I would say it's one of the best results of an in-ear earbud microphone which I've ever seen. So if you're intending to make a lot of phone calls, this could be the earbuds for you. Really amazing. What I had the impression that the microphone sits only on the left side. I can't see the microphone opening here at the moment. Yeah, maybe there's really just one on the left side. Apart from that, you can also use them as single ones. If you think the battery is low, you can put one back into the cradle and charging it and still using this one here, and then you can take it out while still listening and then put this thing back here to charge and it will play uninterruptedly. So really nice what we get here in this package, especially with the accessories, different colors, really nice audio performance with this ultra deep bass sound and the very good microphone performance. Yeah, definitely one of the best earbuds which I've ever tested so far. I'm super happy with them, so I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.